Good morning, dear students. Now I am going to teach you the voice in grammar. But before teaching the voice, we should know the definition of voice. Voice is the form of verb which shows whether what is denoted by the subject does something or has something done to it. This definition has been given by P.C. Rain. वॉइस वर्ब का वह रूप है जिसे हमें पता चलता है कि काम सब्जेक्ट काम करने ही वाला है या उसके लिए कुछ काम किया गया है. Now I am going to teach you kinds of voice. Voice has been divided into two parts: active voice and passive voice. What is definition of active voice? A verb in the active voice when its form shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something, or in other words is doer of the action. P.C. Rain ने इस बात को कहा है कि एक्टिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा किया जाने वाला काम दर्शाया जाता है और इसमें सब्जेक्ट प्रधान हुआ करता है और सब्जेक्ट एक्टिव होकर काम करता हुआ दिखाई पड़ता है. इसीलिए सब्जेक्ट को हम एक्टिव वॉइस में वाक्य के प्रारंभ में लिखते हैं. यहाँ एग्जाम्पल भी दिया गया है. ही राइट्स अ लेटर. वह पत्र लिखता है. हियर ही इज सब्जेक्ट which has been written in the starting of the sentence and does the work of writing a letter. Second example, I help him in the village daily. In the starting of the sentence, subject I has been used and does the work of help other person in the village daily. Example number 3, you have solved this question. Here in this sentence, in the starting subject you have been used and its work is solving the question. Now I am going to teach you passive voice. According to P.C. Rain, a verb in passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or thing denoted by subject. पैसिव वॉइस के वाक्य में ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट के रूप में रखा जाता है या उसके लिए कुछ काम किया जाता है. अर्थात इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से दैट इन द पैसिव वॉइस ऑब्जेक्ट इज चेंज्ड इनटू सब्जेक्ट व्हेन एनी वर्क इज डन आफ्टर चेंजिंग ऑब्जेक्ट into a subject, that is called passive voice. For example, a letter is written by him. In the active voice, here is first example, he writes a letter. A letter is object. This is why a letter has been changed into subject. So a letter is written by him. In active voice, second example, I help him in the village daily. Here him is object. But what is subject of him? He. So he is helped by me in the village daily. Next, you have solved this question. This question is object. So this question has been changed into subject. So this question has been done by you. Here two columns has been given. Subject and object. The object of I is me, object of we is us, object of you is you, object of they is them, Object of he is him. Object of say is her. Object of it is it. Object of name is name. Now I am going to teach you the rule of changing from active to passive voice. To change active voice into passive voice, here rule has been given. Number 1, object change into subject. Number 2, helping verb according to tense. And third form of verb, then by, and at last subject change into object. Now I am going to teach you how present indefinite tense is changed into passive voice. In present indefinite tense, helping verb is am or plus third form of main verb is used for passive voice. But what is identification of present indefinite tense? If first form of main verb has been used after subject, or helping verb do oblique does has been used, then that sentence will be in present indefinite tense. But when we shall change it into passive voice, then helping verb is am or is used, and third form of verb is also applied. Here is rule: object change into subject, helping verb is am or plus third form of main verb by plus subject change into object. Here I have given some example belong to affirmative and negative sentence of present indefinite tense. They help me in the examination. We have to change it into passive voice. Here me is object. So the subject of me will be I, and helping verb am is used with subject I. So here our passive voice will be I am helped by them in the examination. Full stop. Second example, you do not accept this application in the office. Here helping verb do has been used. This is why this tense is in present indefinite tense. So to change it into passive voice, helping verb is am or is used. Here this application is object. So we should change it into subject. Then our passive voice will be this application. Now we should apply helping verb. Application is singular number. So is. Here negative sentence not is not accepted by you in the office. Here example number 3, and he belong to negative sentence of present indefinite tense. He never sings a song in the class. Here object is a song. Then we have to change it into subject. Then our passive voice will be a song is never sung by him in the class. Thank you.